So we're going to talk about what a mini lesson might look like online. I'll include some wording that you might like to include in your video and also try and keep it down to 10 to 15 minutes. So, three sections that are the main part of it. You have, first of all, the connections part, just a very quick opening. Then you have the explicit teaching, which is the main section to it. And then after the explicit teaching, you have the guided practice to finish it up. Now in the connections, really that's where you want to think of what are the reminders you want to give the students before you get into the main part of the lesson. But the explicit teaching section, that's where you really want to be thinking of models and demonstrations. So how are you going to model the learning and how are you going to demonstrate it? At this point, the students are actually not going to be talking. They're not going to be answering questions. It's just going to be you, and they're going to be paying attention to you. That's where the real teaching can happen. And then the guided practice, that's how will the students participate and practice what they've learned from your explicit teaching. Now the connections part, what might it sound like? Well, as simple as yesterday we talked about, and today I will teach you, and then you make it very clear. The explicit teaching section, those some key words you might like to hear in that is, watch me as I, and you demonstrate it, or I want you to notice how I'm doing this. You really put your thinking out loud so the students can hear what you're thinking. And writers, readers use this strategy too. That's a good one. And the guided practice. Now that's where you might do a turn and talk in a classroom, but here online you might have them turn to a notebook, use chat to share their thoughts if there's a chat component. And I also mentioned Flipgrid. There's a possibility there, if you've ever used that software, to have them record their thoughts and share it as a group. So now how long is this going to take? Well, the connections is very quick. It's like 1 minute. The explicit teaching, that's where the key stuff is, but you still want to keep it very clear, 5 to 7 minutes. That's a great component. And then the guided practice can be 5 to 7 minutes as well. That whole thing is 10 to 15 minutes. All right, I hope this is helpful. Have a good day.